damn it! Oh, shit! Siri, call my doctor and tell her this time I pulled the left side.
Getting directions to the nearest OBGYN.
No. I need a handyman for my door hinge.
Sure. Downloading Hinge from the App Store.
Fantastic. Took you long enough.
Bitch, please.
What?
Hinge is now installed. Answer a few questions to set up your profile. What is your gender of preference?
Well, I need a man, obviously.
Give me a few words to describe yourself.
Well, my back is busted. I've been fixing a door, for Christ's sakes. And I need someone here bad.
Loading your most compatible profiles.
Looks like a bunch of soy boys on this app.
You have a few matches. Printing them out now.
Jack him off. Looking for long-term relationships? You don't look like your profile.
Man, every time.
Listen, I got a mean squeak on a tight hinge back here. Did you bring the lube?
Whoa!
Well, are you here to do this job or not?
I said on my profile I was looking for a long-term relationship. I think it's really shocking that someone your age
My age?
Yes! Whatever happened to the tender beauty of getting to know each other? I'm not here to fix you.
What, so now I gotta sit through a charcuterie board for you to get your tool out?
Oh my God!
Ordering charcuterie.
No! Bad!
Men always want one thing!
Oh, just in time.
What's your pension?
Enough for you to fix my door.
Clock king.
No, the clock is working fine. It's the door.
God, okay. I don't usually do this, all right? But if you want this back door, I'm gonna need some of your liquid assets.
Oh, have shame.
Yeah, I could do that too if you need.
Get out of here. I've got to contact your manager.
Okay, just wire me.
Are you here to fix my door, Sebastian?
You sure have a revolving one.
Yeah, well, it sure would open a lot nicer if one of you flamboyant handymen would fix my hinge.
I think I can help.
Oh, well, that's a big hammer there.
UDTF?
DTF?
Down to fuck.
I'm down to fix.
Oh, I know a couple guys who can help. Give me a sec. Come on, boys. Ain't no party like a bent over party.
Are you DTF?
Of course. Music?
Oh, I love this song. But somebody's still got to take care of my door.
Like you.
Wait.
Like you.
What's wrong?
I just want somebody to fix my door. But I can't because my freaking back is busted.
Oh, it's Sebastian.
No. Listen, will all of you just help me bend over?
Of course, bend over. I have lube and some WD-40.
I'll take the WD-40. It's sticky.
Sorry.
Bend over.
Bend over. Bend over. Bend over. Bend over. Bend over. Bend over. Bend over. Bend over. Bend over. You were DTF.
Sebastian, I just want to say thank you.
Oh, Bendover, you really showed us a really good time.
Really? Because usually the service reviews I get are terrible. You know, there was this one on Craigslist.
Let's party!
I'm DTF.